Well, Oscar Pistorius will know his fate today when he's sentenced in the Pretoria High Court. eNCA will be bringing you live coverage of the sentencing. We have our reporters out and about this morning. Lirandzu Themba is already in Waterkloof in Pretoria, outside the house of Pistorius' uncle. Lirandzu, good morning. Quite early indeed. I guess there's no sign yet of any movement from that house, but shortly we'll be expecting them to be heading down to the court.
Good morning to you, Brad. And certainly, apart from the occasional car that's passing by and cyclists, it is dead quiet here in this leafy suburb of Waterkloof. Just behind me is the house where Oscar Pistorius has been residing for the past couple of months after he was released in October for a couple homicide. And of course, we are expecting him to leave from this residence to court, which is about 15 to 20 minutes away from here. And if you can see the car that is behind me, it is the same car that has been delivering him to the courts when he did appear in the Pretoria North Gauteng High Court, but we're not certain which car he will be using this morning, and we are hoping to get a glimpse of him as he does so. So this should be happening within the next hour, if not hour and a half, as he should be reporting to court roughly by 9 o'clock, when proceedings are expected to start 30 minutes after that.
By what has happened in the past, Lirandzu, when Oscar appeared in court, we've seen his uncle by his side and some of his family members supporting him. I'm sure today is going to be much different, really, because this is like D-Day.
Absolutely, D-Day indeed, brother. And I mean, it'll be quite interesting to find out just as what is happening behind these 2-meter walls behind me. You can imagine when he leaves here, his fate will be sealed as he enters into the courtroom where Judge Masipa will be handing down effectively his sentence for murdering his girlfriend in 2013, brother. And so it'll be quite interesting to see who actually comes up in court. We have seen his family really putting out their support to Oscar Pistorius. I mean, we have seen his siblings, especially, who have even held hands with him, shed tears with him inside court. But today, obviously, is D-Day. It is really the closure of quite a lengthy chapter, especially for the eNCA family, where the whole world is waiting in a bated breath to see just how much will Judge Masipa hand down a sentence.
Much. Lirandzu, she's outside the home of Oscar Pistorius' uncle in Waterkloof in Pretoria, where he's been staying there for some time. We'll be covering that Oscar Pistorius sentencing live, of course.